rocket launcher, you need this, and this, and this, and these two parts. And then now I start drilling. This is the hole, but be very careful, it's hot. Now we put the bits into it. Next thing we gotta glue the parts together. But be very careful with the glue, it's very messy. And don't do this without adults, kids. It dries quick. If your kids are watching this, please watch them if they're going to do this. We're going to use two of these to build the stands for the rocket. You need rope, and what we're going to do is rope. We're going to tie it around these two things, and hopefully we'll get this thing to stand up. Once the air goes through here, it goes through the pipe, and once the cat can't hold it anymore, it bursts off. We're going to shoot a tomato, and then second, we're going to shoot a lemon. And the second one, we're going to shoot a mint. And the second one, we're going to shoot a pumpkin. We're putting the tomato in. Now, 2, 1. Oh! Lemon.
What are you putting in now?
Grass. Mini pumpkins. Yes! Iced tea.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh! I can't believe that. So don't be there, snakes. See you next time.